Welcome to the Rio Soda shop blog. Today we interviewing the Highway Groupie about the new Rio Soda sparkling beverage maker, model Rio Jugo. Welcome.
Glad to be here.
Do I call you Highway or Groupie?
Just call me HG.
Okay, HG. First of all, what can you tell me about Rio Soda? This is a new enterprise, right?
Yes, it is a small family business that has its headquarters in the Dominican Republic.
Where does the name come from?
Rio is in Spanish means river, like Rio Grande, Grand River, or Rio Jacagua, the Jacagua River. Therefore, the name means the soda river. The objective of the business is to have soda flowing freely in everyone's home who wants it.
That's ambitious, and it brings us to the service offered by Rio Soda.
Rio Soda supplies sparkling beverage machines, sparkling beverage bottles, and CO2 cylinders. All of these are available on Amazon. In the Dominican Republic, in addition to those items, they refill CO2 cylinders and offer a splendid line of syrups and flavored sodas.
Sounds like your focus. I know that Rio Soda has a mission statement for health and environment. I've seen it on their website, but for now, I would like to talk about the latest soda machine. What makes it different from the others on the market?
Ah, yes, the Rio Jugo. One thing makes it different. It is not a soda machine.
What do you mean?
Soda machines only make soda. SodaStream, Philips, and other brands push these inexpensive models and tell their clients that they can water down their soda with flavorings and syrups afterward. Rio Jugo and all Rio Soda sparkling beverage makers are designed to make any kind of beverage into an effervescent delight.
Even beverages that have pulp in them?
Yes, even those. Other brands that can make sparkling beverages, like DrinkMate, tell you in their instructions that their machines will not handle pulp. Rio Soda machines will do that. I have nothing against other brands. My first homemade soda came from a SodaStream machine, and I owned a DrinkMate machine for many years, as you can see in my videos. But you ask me how Rio Soda is superior to these, and that is part of the answer.
Part of the answer? There's more?
Yes, I really like the tops of their bottles. They're slightly wider than the competition, making them easier to tighten and to remove. The seal is superior as well, preserving your sparkling drink so that it delights you even if you store it for days.
That's important. Is there anything else you like about these units?
I like the detachable infuser. Some machines have the infuser fixed into the body of the soda maker. Rio Soda sparkling beverage makers all come with a detachable infuser. Please go ahead and try it. As I demonstrate in one of my videos, that is important for proper carbonation.
Where are these made?
They are made in China under the supervision of Rio Soda. Much of the design of the product was done right here in the Dominican Republic. One could say that it was a collaborative effort to produce a high-quality sparkling beverage maker that is universally compatible with other brands of CO2 cylinders, one that will make sparkle nearly anything you can drink.
Well, I can see that we'll still have much to talk about, including maintenance of these machines, the enterprise mission statement, recipes, and more. Can we meet again?
Certainly. Just have your people call mine.
Will do. Thank you, HG, for your time today. We hope that we were able to add a small spark to your day. This is Yira from the Rio Soda shop, wishing you all happy sodas. That we were able to add a small spark to your day. This is Yira from the Rio Soda shop, wishing you all happy sodas. I can't do it. I can't, not yet. Can't yet. Okay, and do it again?
You need a cue card. I need to put your cue card up here.
Will do. Thank you, HG, for your time today. We hope that we were able to add a small spark to your day. This is Yira from the Rio Soda shop, wishing you all happy sodas. Okay. I can do it. We hope that we were able to add. Okay, let's see that, because I don't know. We were able to wait. We hope that we were able to add. Okay, we hope that we were able to add a little sparkly in your life. This is Yira from shopping Rio Soda, for the Rio Soda shop, from the Rio Soda. Oh my God! This is Yira from the Rio Soda shop, wishing you all happy sodas. Oh, that's better.